Lovelies, welcome back to Quincy's Bakery. Today we are going to whip up a batch of delicious muffins that are sure to tempt your taste buds and leave you craving for more. It's a very special kind of flour. You want to know what this is actually. Please, if you love what you see, like this video, subscribe for more tempting baking videos. Now let's just dive straight into the tea. First and most importantly, preheat your oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 7 to 10 minutes before baking. Let's start with the ingredients you will need. You will need 150 grams of flour and you will need 170 grams of corn flour, which is same as 1 cup of corn flour, but since corn flour is heavier than normal flour, so it's more. And then you will also need 145 grams of sugar, which is 2/3 cup of sugar, and you will need 3.5 teaspoons of baking soda, and then you will need 1 cup of oil, which is 70 grams of oil, and you will also need 1 cup, which is 250 grams of milk, and you need just 1 egg. Also, you need 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which is just like a pinch of salt. Also, be conscious of the fact that you have to sieve your flour. It prevents lumps in your cake, and it also helps to keep your cake moist and soft, and it prevents you over mixing. So while sieving your flour, go ahead and add in your baking powder. In this cake here, we are using baking powder and not baking soda. So in a large mixing bowl, you just combine your normal flour, your corn flour, your sugar, baking powder, and salt. Basically, mix all dry ingredients together. Mix them together until they are well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the egg, the vegetable oil, and milk until they are well combined. So you first start by breaking your egg. We are using just 1 egg here. Gradually mix that egg till it's well combined or just homogeneous. Then you go ahead and add in the other wet ingredients. Now gently fold the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients until you have a smooth batter. So at this point, you just create a well in the dry ingredients and then gently pour in the wet ingredients into your dry ingredients and give it a gentle stir. Stir until you have a smooth batter. As you can see from the title, you do not need a hand mixer for this recipe. You don't need to stress at all. You just need your whisk and your bowl. Gradually fold in all your ingredients and you are good to go. This recipe is very simple, very straightforward, and I have given you the measurements in cups and in grams as well to make it easier for you. So be very conscious of the fact that when you weigh, you get accurate measurements compared to when you have a cup. But if you have a cup, go ahead and do that. That's why I had to convert it from cup to grams so that you get the exact measurement. At this point, you should have already preheated your oven to 170 degrees Celsius for at least 7 minutes. Then you go ahead to spoon the batter into your muffin tin lined with paper liners and filling each to about 2/3 full. Now pop the muffin tin into the preheated oven and bake for about 15 minutes or until the muffins are golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. But you know your oven better, right? So just look at how your cupcake looks like. If a toothpick inserted comes out clean, then it's ready, or just a little bit golden. But I absolutely love the golden color of these cornflour cupcakes. It's absolutely good. So there you have it, freshly baked cornflour muffins, perfect for breakfast, snacks, or anytime you are craving any tasty treat. So you can serve them with warm tea or a drizzle of honey or your favorite jam. Enjoy. Thanks so much, guys. Thank you so much, lovely people, for joining us today. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious and, as I said, tempting recipes. Until next time, bye bye. Happy baking and bon appetit.